Here's what's quietly killing transformations right now. Motivation collapses before adoption does. Let's take the example of overexercising. When you first start a routine, your muscles may feel really tired, but you also feel very energized and motivated, and you're seeing a lot of progress. But if you try to build it too fast, then your body's not getting the recovery that it needs. Now, you may keep moving, but then your body starts to wear down, it may get injuries, and the fatigue is setting in way before you actually have to stop exercising. That's what's happening in organizations right now. During the pandemic, it was necessary, even motivating, to have all these changes. But now people are fatigued and there's been no time to recover. They still show up, they still check the boxes, but the motivation is gone because they're no longer seeing any progress. And in fact, a lot of times, the changes that are being thrown at them aren't helpful and may even cost them more time and more money. So motivation drops before adoption does. But a lot of leaders miss it because they think that activity makes you look healthy. And a lot of times what we're seeing is that in transformations, people are pushing movement, but they've stopped measuring the actual momentum. That's why change fatigue is a measurement issue, because if you're noticing adoption is falling, that's equivalent to the doctor telling you, you've already injured yourself. So look at how are you going to measure recovery, how are you going to measure pacing, and how are you going to measure the proof that that change is being sustained and actually producing an effort that's resulting in something useful, not just in an activity.